It's a shame. The thing that was making me tense with the wind was this gigantic pine tree right beside my house. Hey guys, it's Katie Kate on the Homestead. Holy smokes, that was quite a storm last night. Honestly, I was too distracted to even shoot any footage of it. I did lose power, but not until right as I was going to bed. So I set my alarm for an hour later to get up to check my sump pump. But by the time that happened, the power was back on. Apparently we lost it again overnight, but it was back on by the time I got up. There were massive power outages all through this area. I know there were some people in this area posting comments about how crazy it was outside, but this is the calm after the storm. It's absolutely beautiful out here. Over and above losing power, the thing that was making me tense with the wind was this gigantic pine tree right beside my house. And I have plans to cut that down, unfortunately. It makes me really nervous, and you can see the other one directly behind my house. That one has to come down too. This is the one that I mostly am afraid could fall on my house. But even the roots of this tree could do major damage to my house if it ever blew over. And there's the one behind my house. Even though I don't think it would fall in the direction of my house, the roots are so close, it would do some major damage. Look at that beautiful drifted snow. Not a track to be seen other than where I walked the dogs this morning. I guess there were really big drifts on the roads yesterday, a lot of accidents, plus people being literally blown into ditches, and then of course lots of black ice. I'm really glad I didn't have to drive anywhere yesterday. This is my drift area, and the snow's pretty deep here. I've never actually been through a big wind event like a hurricane or a tornado. I can imagine it's terrifying. I find these strong winds really eerie. You know, they were really howling last night, and you could hear it through the chimneys in the house, and it just felt like the whole house was shaking. But thankfully, no harm done here, and it's a beautiful day today. Survived another winter storm on the homestead. February starts on Saturday, and it's a short month. We are almost through it. Okay guys, well that's it for today. Just a quick update. I survived. Everybody is doing fine today, enjoying much calmer weather. We're supposed to have more snow this week, so we'll see how much accumulates. I'll keep you posted. If you did weather that storm that I went through last night, let me know in the comments below. How did you do? Did you lose power? Did you have any tree damage? Until next time, happy, healthy living. I hope you are all doing well, staying safe, staying kind. I'm Katie Kate on the Homestead, and I'll see you later.